Ladies and gentlemen, so we are at the VW floor pan again. This is one of the other main reasons why I wanted to buy the laser cleaner, because I wanted to first do it, but I don't know if you guys can see, but this is not a very good surface. This is POR 15, and the surface underneath I didn't prep correctly. I don't know if you guys can see, but see underneath there? That's rust. So this is what happens when you guys don't properly prep POR 15, unfortunately. So I'm gonna prep it properly. First I'm gonna strip it, because obviously laser cleaner, stripping, all right, good fun. So let's do that. And this thing can get into all the nooks and crannies. I am gonna tape off these guys, because this was already kind of pre-done, pre-painted, so you can see the demarcation between the truck bed liner and the POR 15. So I'm going to run a tape line right here so I don't get that. But all this stuff I'm going to have to do again, unfortunately. So let's see how long it takes me and go from there. Yay, good fun. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, it is paint free. Zero elbow grease, zero wire brushes. Yeah, got a nice line demarking the whole thing. And underneath, the paint is A-OK. This thing gets hot to the point where, you know, you can hold it for maybe 10 seconds, maybe longer. Well, you can hold it a long time. So, yeah. Not enough to hurt the paint underneath. So, well within the safety margins, so you can laser clean one section and leave the painted section underneath. Won't hurt it, won't bubble, won't peel off. So now I get to do the whole backside. So yeah, I'll do that, and I might get some video of it, but yeah, you'll see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, a little bit of stuff left in there, but it's sometimes hard to see with these glasses on. Most of this stuff is pretty darn clean here. Don't want to touch it because I don't want to get my greasy fingerprints on it. But yeah, this is, I think, just about there where I want it. Just about. As you guys can see, these are good. These have painted real nice. There's no rust coming up on those. But yeah, look at that. Nice down in the crevice right up there. Everything. So yeah, I'm super happy with that. This thing is pretty crazy cool. See some more paint there. Might have to get that for a second. Otherwise, that's good. Laser cleaner, man. Way of the future. Stupidly expensive, but great. Oh yeah. I think that is much better. Oh yeah. No weird reactions. Properly prepped. Oh yeah. Good adhesion. Slight etching from the laser cleaner plus the etching from the metal prep. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Now that is why a laser cleaner is amazing. All right. So we're going to leave it there for you guys. Little show on practical uses of the laser cleaner on my Volkswagen floor pan on a redo that I shouldn't have done, but I did anyway. So yeah, I spent probably a total of maybe 2.5 hours with everything. That's laser cleaning, etching, drying, and then applying paint. So yeah, laser cleaner. I am not beat up from wire brushing, from chiseling, from anything. I'm not covered in dust, as you guys can see. I only got a couple of spots from Pour 15. Yeah, I'm still fresh. I could keep going. So yeah, a lot of less fatigue. All right, I'm gonna leave it there for you. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Aloha.